My glam bunny look of 2018. Hi, hello, I'm MzPatriciaAnn, and here's my future self. Here's my present self. So, since we're back in reality, let's actually get that cute little bunny look. First, I'm going to go in and I'm going to do my eyebrows. My eyebrows need some TLC. They're just Alice shape and got little hairs growing each and every way. I'm going in with my little razor and I'm shaving them to shape them as I naturally have them, high arched and thin. This little razor is just absolutely amazing. I love it. I use it all the time, and it's just electric shaver. It takes AAA batteries, and then after I get done going around them, I take tweezers and I pluck those little tiny hairs that we just cannot get rid of. Now, I know a lot of you do not like plucking your eyebrows. Well, you get used to it after a while, so it's not that bad. Now that I have my eyebrows shaped, I'm going to go in with some powder foundation today for this look, and I'm going to brush it all on. Now I'm going to go in with my eyebrow pencil. My eyebrow pencil, here is a cute little nifty trick that I learned. You take an eyebrow pencil and you can angle it 3 different ways on your eye just to align your eyebrows. One way is, as you've seen, I took it to the sides of my nose straight up. That's where your eyebrows start, and then you angle it through the pupil, and that is where your eyebrows should arch, and then you angle it to the side of your eye and to the corner, and that is where your eyebrows end. So I did learn that recently, and I thought that was a nifty trick to share with you guys. Now I'm going in, and I wanted for this look to have thick eyebrows. You see, my eyebrows are not naturally thick. I just have them high arched. So I'm like, for this look, I have to have thick eyebrows. I want that Barbie bunny look going on. So I want thick, drawn-on eyebrows. So I'm trying to do that, and I'm kind of looking like a hot mess right now. Kind of looking kind of weird. Almost having a unibrow going on here. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'm going in and I'm filling my eyebrows in, and I have them pretty good how I like them. They're nice and thick and drawn on. Now I am taking my beauty blender and putting on some foundation. Trying to cover up those circles that I got going on under my eyes. Circles. There's bags that I have going underneath my eyes because I do have allergies right now. My face is all puffy and nasty. Ugh. Allergies just horrible this time of year, but I am trying to cover them up as much as I can, fixing my eyebrows because I'm just not happy with them. And of course I did speed this up because I know you guys don't want to stay here for 3.5 hours. That is how long this video took. And I was going in, I'm like, I want dark eyeshadow, I'm going to blend that in, and then I use my other nifty trick is masking tape, and I put it in the corner of my eyes to catch all the makeup that falls into your eyes. And you can see that how that nifty little trick actually does work. I do keep a roll of masking tape on my vanity just for this. My eyelashes is another problem I had with this. I was like, okay, do I want to wear natural eyelashes? Do I want to wear my over-the-top fake eyelashes? What should I do? Since I had my eyes already done glamorous, you see I have 3 tones going on in my eyes. I'm doing the wing and the eyeliner. And I'm like, okay, let's do my Better Than Sex mascara, and then let's apply the fake lashes. And that's what we did. I did try to apply my under eye? Your bottom lashes, anyway, your bottom lashes. I tried to apply them, and I'm like, ugh, this is not working, because I really wanted my underlash, I keep saying underlashes. I really wanted my bottom lashes on, and I had a horrible time trying to get them on, and I don't know, I'm going to have to watch some videos. I'm not quite sure. Anybody that's watching this and you are used to wearing bottom lashes, can you let me know in the comments? Do I put the bottom lashes underneath my eyelash or on top of my lash? What do I do there? Because I've never wore bottom lashes and I want to wear them and I have them. So I need some help there. So let me know in the comments. But you see, I am putting my eyelashes on, trying to work with this new glue I got. I guess it's just not as tacky, sticky as my other adhesive that I normally wear, so I'm like, ugh, this ain't working. So I end up actually taking them off and putting on new eyelashes and new glue because these was not working, and I didn't want to go ahead and put the other glue on top of that glue because it wasn't fully dry, and I was like, ugh, whatever. So you can see me struggling with that. I'm like, pulling them off. Nah, this ain't working. And this is where I'm switching out my eyelashes. Because I did have 2 pairs of the same eyelashes. Thank goodness. For some reason, I do not like the eyelashes that, or not the eyelashes, the eyelash glue that is clear. I like the black adhesive. And I am doing my lips now. I did want to give my lips a little bit over my lip line because I wanted to have that bunny look. But then I decided I didn't really like it, and I kind of looked goofy, so I was like, let's wipe that all off and let's redo that. And then I had to contour my face because, you know, I wanted that glamorous bunny look. And now I just look like a regular clown, your everyday glamorous clown. It's time to blend and beat that face. And time to add the lipstick and the little finishing touches, and ta-da! You have the cutest little bunny look that you can actually wear out in public. And now it is time to wear my beautiful wig. Maybe. Yes, it is time to put my wig on, and there we have it. We have the most beautiful bunny in the whole wide world. Happy Easter, and I hope you love my very beautiful bunny look I just created with my everyday look. Okay guys, thank you, and as always, mwah.